everyone! Alright, so for my learning project for ECOM 355, I decided to learn how to knit, and the reason I chose this is because when I was a little girl, my grandma taught me how to knit, and of course I didn't keep up with it, so I lost the skill, so I thought I would do it and make her something. So my first project was learn how to cast on, and that was really difficult for me. Had to do a lot of things for that, so that was basically what you did was you got your needle and you make a slip knot like this, so put the needle through it. Now I use two hands, but some people use one hand. Still haven't mastered that yet. So you just wrap it around your thumb, bring this hand around, slip the hole over and pull. And you just keep doing that over and over again until you get them out that you want. So that was that one. So my first stitch, I did the garter stitch, which is this. It's all rough material. This took me a while to do, a lot of trial and error. And then from there, I did the purl stitch, which is exactly like the garter stitch, except instead of entering from the back of your needle, you enter from the front of the needle. And then when you combine those two together, you get this stitch. Now I forget what it's called, but it's garter stitch at the front, so it's all bumpy and everything, but then it's nice and smooth at the back. Hopefully you can see that. That's what it looks like. From there, I did the bee sting, which is this one. This one was really challenging, as you can see. This took me a while to just do this little tiny piece because I kept making mistakes. And I still haven't learned how to fix your mistake once you drop a stitch, so I'm still working on that. And another thing I did was, you know, the Harry Potter scarf where it's red and gold and etc. etc. So I decided I wanted to learn how to combine the two colors together. So I got this. So it's just a garter stitch, two colors combined. This is my favorite. A lot of my friends really liked it. They asked me if I can make them a scarf like this. I said sure. I have to charge them all, of course. Alright, so this is like one of my big projects. I made a scarf. It's nice and soft. This took me like about 5 days to do because I made some mistakes here and there. The reason that I really like this piece of thread because it covers up like little tiny holes you have and everything, and you can't see the stitches unless of course you stretch them out. So I really like this type of thread a lot. So I decided to make another scarf, and I just started this like 3 days ago, and it's not quite finished yet. But this is the ribbed stitch where you go knit one, purl one, and then etc. etc. Or you can go knit 2, purl 2. Also, I am going to add some thread at the bottom, so fringe it up a little bit, and for that you have to have a crochet hook, which I bought one. Yeah, so that was my learning project. I liked it a lot. It was challenging at times, but it was good. And this is definitely something that I will keep doing because as a university student, it like helped de-stress me and everything like that. Finals are coming up, so I'll probably be knitting a lot to calm my nerves. Also, it's really easy and simple to do. You can watch it, you can do it while you watch TV or anything. I did it while I was visiting friends. They all made fun of me, of course, but it was good. Then they all saw what I was doing and they all want some scarves and mitts or whatever. So yeah, anyways, that was my project, so hope you guys all like it, and there's lots of YouTube videos out there. They are really helpful to learn how to knit. Actually for this bee sting one, Male taught it on YouTube called New Stitch Day, so that was really good. It was different to have a male perspective because a lot of the YouTube videos out there for knitting, they're all females, so it was different seeing a male show it, so if a male can do it, anyone can do it. Alright, so I will see you guys later.